Hello, I'm Anthony Candelora, and I'm presenting Samsung Mobile Communications Marketing Plan. First, we're going to talk about Samsung's 5 C's of marketing analysis. As a company, Samsung offers an amazing amount of products: TVs, washers, dryers, smartphones, tablets, just a tremendous amount of items for sale. And all their marketing strategies vary based off what product they're pushing to the consumers. Uh, the collaborators that are a part of Samsung's process, they have a gigantic supply chain service. Some of them are subsidiaries of Samsung, and others are just partners. Um, but that's one of their main strengths is their supply chain management and how efficiently they get their products placed where they need to be. Products are easily accessible, offered in big box stores, online, retailers, anywhere you need a Samsung product, you can go. Target, Walmart, Best Buy. Uh, there's there's not a whole lot of searching for a Samsung product if you need it. Samsung has a large customer target market. Uh, they're looking for all life cycles, uh, the whole age segmentation. They do have a focus on a younger demographic, and we'll get into what that's about in a little while. Major competitors is iPhone, uh, especially in the U.S. The other competitors are behind both iPhone and Samsung, but Google, Moto, all those smartphones are really trying to catch up with Samsung and iPhone. And also in the Asian market, China's smartphone production is one of their main competitors. And the context of this is smartphones were more of a luxury item at one point in time, and today's world, it's more of a necessity. Uh, Kids do schoolwork on them, businesses operate with them. Uh, Everything's at the touch of a hand when you're shopping. It's just a part of life now. It's not a want, it's more of a need. So Samsung wants to be a part of that market and offer their products to a wide range of segments. And so here we go. Here's Samsung STP segmentation. So Samsung's a worldwide company. They're offered Europe, Asia, Africa, and obviously the U.S. Anywhere you can think of. Their demographics that they're going after is all age ranges, all life cycles. Uh, but as mentioned, they want to really get the 16 to 25-year-old markets. The behavioral part of it, they're looking for switchers, soft and hard loyals. And obviously, if you, switchers are trying products until they get comfortable with one, Samsung wants to be their primary one. Psychographic, all wealth classes, they want to penetrate that segmentation. They want to have their products bought by trendy people, mainstreamers, explorers, and they want their perception to be of high quality and belonging. Samsung targets all demographics for their mobile products. And as mentioned again, that 16 to 25-year-old market is something that they want to get after so that they can try to catch iPhone in the future in the big market of things. Positioning, going after that young market, it's their way of trying to uh, have generational loyalty. Um, and again, to really penetrate iPhone's hold on the US market as far as smartphones. They do this by offering several price points, one as low as $250. And it's obviously more affordable for uh, low income families or uh, teenagers and young adults that don't have that financial freedom that some of the older generations have. Product is still in the growth stage. Samsung's doing really well. Number one in the Asian market, number two in the U.S. market, but still lagging behind iPhone. Uh, with a technology-based business, it's always improving. There's always new features, so they're constantly in an introductory cycle as well. So advertisements are always going to have to be new and improved and focused on what the new offerings are for these new lines of phones. Uh, Samsung has a strong quality perception from consumers, but is still considered inferior to iPhone. Uh, their high-end phones are comparable to anything iPhone offers, and they have low-end phones that are of high quality, but also offer uh, a reasonable price for younger consumers or low-income families. And again, as mentioned, the $250 range, all the way up to $1,350, which is still cheaper than what iPhone offers. Samsung's available in all retailers, cellular carriers, online. Promotions are, they have a large marketing budget. They focus online ads for that 16 and 25-year-old market. And they use all media options, TV, radio, billboards, to promote their products. Summary for Samsung here is they want to capture that 16 to 25-year-old market. They have a wide range of products so that they can fit in a lot of segmentations. They're trying to improve their image compared to iPhone and keep the distance from other competitors and continue to push online media to promote products. Thank you for your time.